Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 4 of term 1, week 3. This is the continuation of balancing chemical equations, balance equation, and the law of conservation of mass. Okay, explain how balanced chemical equations illustrate the law of conservation of mass in a closed system. Construct and present an atom count model or visual representation of a balanced chemical reaction, and value scientific accuracy and teamwork when explaining how matter is conserved during chemical reactions. Okay, will the mass change? Okay, prediction and demonstration challenge. Situation: a sealed resealable plastic bag contains water and effervescent tablet kept separately before mixing. The entire sealed bag is placed on a digital weighing scale. Without opening the bag, the tablet is mixed with the water. Bubbles appear and the bag inflates. Directions: observe the sealed setup before the reaction. Predict whether the measured mass will increase, decrease, or remains the same after the tablet reacts. So, magkakaroon kayo ng hypothesis kung madadagdagan ba, mababawasan, or the same lang yung mass before and after the reaction. So, write your prediction and reason. Compare predictions after the result is revealed. Okay, prediction choices. The mass increases because the bubbles are produced. The mass decreases because gas disappears. See, the mass remains the same because the system is closed. Explanation: the gas produced during the reaction remains inside the sealed bag. Although new substances form and visible bubbles appear, no matter leaves the system. Therefore, the total mass before and after the reaction remains the same. Ayan, the Fisi tablet investigation. Conservation of mass in a chemical reaction. When no matter enters or leaves the system, the total mass before and after the reaction remains the same. So, totoo po yung anong yan kapag enclosed system. So, kapag open yung gagawin natin na reaction, syempre may mga katakas na water vapor or any forms of vapor. So, that should be enclosed system in order to observe exactly the conservation of mass in a chemical reaction. So, ito pong example, itong sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate reacts with citric acid resulting to carbon dioxide, water, and sodium nitrate. So, sa setup 1, open at not ideal because the carbon dioxide gas will escape into the air. Talagang mababawasan. Dito naman sa pangalawa, tingnan nyo, before and after, dahil naka-close, the gas carbon dioxide is trapped, no matter escapes. So, walang mababawas. So, the mass remains the same because no matter enters or leaves. Walang umalis, walang pumasok. Dito sa setup 1, naka-open siya, so nabawasan kasi nga nakatakas yung carbon dioxide. So, conclusion, a closed system is better for demonstrating conservation of mass because all products, including gases, stayed inside the container. Ayan. During a school wellness exhibit, learners prepared a demonstration using a Fisi tablet in water. In the first setup, the tablet was dropped into the open cup. In the second setup, the tablet and water were mixed inside a tightly sealed container. So the learners observed bubbles in both setups. However, they noticed that the closed setups was more suitable for demonstrating conservation of mass. The reaction may be represented by the following equation. Ito na yung sinabi natin kanina. The sodium bicarbonate reacts with citric acid resulting to carbon dioxide, water, and sodium citrate. What visible evidence suggests that a chemical reaction occurred? Yung mga evidences na nagkaroon nga ng chemical reaction. Okay, the appearance of bubbles or fizzing indicates that a chemical reaction occurred. Isa 'yon sa tinatawag natin na indicators of chemical reaction. Okay, what gas is formed during the reaction? Okay, the gas formed is carbon dioxide. Why might the mass appear to decrease in an open cup? Bakit kaya nabawasan dun sa open cup? yung after the reaction. So the mass may appear to decrease in an open cup because carbon dioxide gas can escape into the air. So nabawasan. So why is sealed container better for demonstrating conservation of mass? The answer is a sealed container prevents matter, including the produced gas, from leaving the system. So what is the balance equation for the reaction? So the balance equation is, ito na. So kumbaga complicated po ito, marami kang i-balance. So kasama ito dun sa complex example of balancing equation. So isa-isahin po natin paano naging balance na siya. Itong sodium, ilan ang atom niya? So tatlo. Sa kabila, sa product, tatlo. So balance. Itong hydrogen, dito sa product, sa reactants po, kasama itong nandito sa itong pangalawang reactant. So kung ito ang hydrogen ay magiging siyang 3 dito sa una. And then dito 8, so 11. Sa kabila po, tingnan natin ang hydrogen. Dito sa water, that is 6 plus 5, ilan na? 11. So balance na. So ang carbon naman, dito ay 3 plus itong 6 na nandito. So that is 9. Sa product naman, ilan ang carbon? This is 3, 6. So 9 din. So balance. So oxygen naman tayo. Ang oxygen dito is 3 times 3, so 9. Plus 7, that is 16. Sa kabila, ilan ang oxygen? 3 times 2, 6. Ipa-plus natin itong 3 times 1. So that is 3, that is 9. And 7. So 16. So balance. Ano po? Balance na lahat. So complicated ito. Okay, how does the balance equation support the law of conservation of mass? Okay, the balance equation shows equal numbers of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen atoms on both sides. Therefore, atoms are rearranged, not created nor destroyed. Okay, the law of conservation of mass. It states that matter cannot be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. In a closed system, total mass of reactants should be equal to the total mass of the products. A reaction may produce gas, heat, light, color, change, or a solid substance. These observations do not mean that matter has disappeared. The atoms involved have only been rearranged into different substances. So ito yung mga indicator or evidences of chemical reaction. Number 1 po yung production of gas, production of heat and light, color change, pati yung odor change po, and then solid substance production. So consider aerobic respiration. Ito. Aerobic, ito po yung respiration, kabaliktaran ito ng tinatawag natin na photosynthesis. So ito yung glucose reacts, kailangan ng oxygen resulting to carbon dioxide and water. So ayan, ang element sa reactant is 6, ang carbon. Sa product side 6. Paano naging 6 yung carbon dito? Dito sa carbon dioxide, 6 molecule, may 1 atom siya, 6 times 1. Ang hydrogen naman, 12 sa reactant side. Ayan, ito, sa glucose. And then, sa kabila, naging 12 din kasi itong 6. Itong sa water po, tumingin kayo dito sa water. H2O, yung 2 niya, 2 times 6, that is 12. Ang oxygen naman, dito sa glucose ay 6, plus yung dito 12. So, therefore, 18 ang oxygen sa reactant. Sa kabila naman, 6 times 2, 12, plus ito, 1 dito, times mo dito sa number of molecule na 6. So, 12 plus 6, 18. Therefore, balance lahat. So, ibig sabihin, ito palang respiration, para makumpleto, it requires only one glucose and requires 6 molecule of oxygen gas in order to produce 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. So, ang haba pala po ito kung babasahin mo, ano? Glucose reacts with 6 molecules of oxygen gas, producing 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. Okay, the substances before and after the reaction are different. Glucose and oxygen form carbon dioxide and water. However, the total number of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms remains the same. Okay, additional example. Picturean nyo na itong mga sample para meron kayo. Okay, another one, the decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Reminder in balancing equations. Never change subscripts when balancing an equation. Yun, tandaan nyo po yun. The correct method uses coefficients to show the right number of water molecules. The incorrect method changes the product from water to hydrogen peroxide. So, parang balance nga dito sa incorrect. Kaya lang, hindi na yun water. So, binago mo na yung identity ng compound kapag binago mo ang subscript. Ang dapat baguhin lang natin, it should be the coefficient. Sa mga nalilito pa po, pag sinabing coefficient, ito yung number, itong malaking 2. The number before the formula. At yung subscript, yung maliit. Na yun ang identity niya na bawal bago. Yun ang identity ng chemical formula. Kagaya itong H2O, water, kapag binawa mong H2O2, hindi na yun water. That is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, activity. Each group becomes a team of science reporters preparing a short news segment titled Breaking Science News, No Atom Left Behind. Ayun, kaparehas din ito nung sa first week na activity. Yung science news report card. So the report must explain an assigned chemical reaction, present its balance equation, show the atom count, and communicate how the reaction proves conservation of mass. So materials, each group may use Manila paper or cartolina, markers, colored paper circles or atom tokens, tape or glue. Reaction card assigned to the group and calculator. Okay, the rule, lead reporter introduces the reaction and presents the conclusion. Equation specialist balances the assigned equation, and atom accountant prepares and verifies the atom count table. So visual designer arranges atom tokens or illustration. Science explainer explains how the equations demonstrate conservation of mass. Okay, ito yung pwedeng ilaman. Doon sa group 1, green plant news report. Ito yung photosynthesis. Ibabalance yan. So, unbalance yan, yung photosynthesis. Okay, group 2, energy release news report. Ito naman, kabaliktaran naman ito. Ito yung respiration. Pansinin ninyo, reversible yung equation na to. Ito yung photosynthesis. Ang reactants, carbon dioxide and water. Ang product naman is glucose and oxygen. Dito sa respiration, ang reactant is glucose and oxygen. Ang product ay carbon dioxide and water. Magkabaliktad. So another one, the Fizzy reaction news report. And group 4, baking soda decomposition news report. And group 5, water formation news report. Okay, instruction and balance the equation. Okay, build the evidence board, create a visual model using colored circles or symbol, use suggested color coding. Ayan. Phase 3, prepare the news report. Ayan na. Presentation must include the reaction occurring in real life, the unbalanced equation, the balance equation, an atom count table, a visual model of atom rearrangement, and a concluding statement explaining conservation of mass. So, phase 4, present the report. Each group delivers a 2 to 3 minute science news report. Suggested closing line, the products may look different from the reactants, but our atom count proves that no atom disappeared, matter was conserved. Ayan. Okay, rubric, paano kayo mamarkahan dito? Ayan, picturean nyo na kung paano kayo mamarkahan doon sa activity. Ayan. Okay, for your reflection, sagutan nyo to. What are you most confused about? Saan kayo nalito pa doon sa lesson? So, pwede natin balikan.